Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you did 100 squats every day? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving into the fascinating world of fitness and revealing the incredible transformations that can occur when you commit to this intense workout challenge. Squats, a fundamental exercise in the fitness world, primarily target your lower body, including your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. But the benefits don't stop there. One significant aspect often overlooked is the role of squats in bone density. Weight-bearing exercises, like squats, stimulate the bones, prompting them to build more density. This is particularly crucial, especially as we age and face the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Regular squatting can be an effective preventive measure against bone-related issues, contributing to better skeletal health. Moreover, squats serve as a functional exercise, meaning they mimic movements performed in daily life. This functional aspect is vital for promoting coordination, balance, and agility. The ability to execute a proper squat reflects a functional level of fitness that translates into improved performance in various activities, from bending to lift something off the ground to maintaining stability during dynamic movements. Incorporating squats into a well-rounded fitness routine can also have a positive impact on mental health. Exercise, including squatting, triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. The sense of accomplishment derived from progressing in squat strength or achieving fitness goals contributes to enhanced mental well-being and stress reduction. As we expand our focus to the physiological realm, squats play a pivotal role in enhancing joint health. Contrary to misconceptions, when performed correctly, squats do not inherently damage the knees. Instead, they promote the strength and stability of the knee joints. However, proper form is paramount, emphasizing the importance of gradual progression and listening to the body to avoid unnecessary strain. To further amplify the benefits, consider incorporating variations like pistol squats or Bulgarian split squats. These variations introduce new challenges, engaging different muscle groups and promoting well-rounded strength development. Additionally, combining squats with other exercises in a comprehensive workout routine can create synergies, fostering a holistic approach to fitness. The adaptability of squats makes them accessible to individuals of various fitness levels. Beginners can start with bodyweight squats, gradually progressing to more advanced variations. Advanced practitioners, on the other hand, can explore weighted squats or plyometric variations to continually challenge their bodies and stimulate further adaptations. In essence, squats transcend their reputation as a lower body exercise. They emerge as a cornerstone for holistic well-being, impacting bone health, mental resilience, joint stability, and functional fitness. Understanding the broader spectrum of benefits encourages individuals to embrace squats as a fundamental and indispensable component of their fitness journey. By incorporating this simple exercise into your routine, you can accelerate your journey towards a healthier and fitter lifestyle. Remember, while 100 squats a day can yield incredible results, it is imperative to prioritize proper form and technique. This will not only prevent injuries, but also ensure you reap the maximum benefits from each repetition. So, if you're willing to take on a fitness challenge that will transform your body, boost your confidence, and change your life, give the 100 squats every day challenge a go. It's time to squat your way to success. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing fitness content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment below. Stay motivated, stay fit, and we'll see you in the next video.